Hey, what's up? This is the second video about Cubot X20 Pro, and today we want to talk about performance. You can watch the video with unboxing of this mobile device by the link in description. In this video I will show you benchmark results and play popular games such as PUBG Mobile, Shadowgun Legends and Call of Duty. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Cubot X20 Pro is a budget smartphone, and it is powered by Helio P60 chipset. Also, it has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory card to expand the storage. Okay, let's start the performance test with benchmarks. The first benchmark is AnTuTu. As you can see, Cubot X20 Pro has about 142,000 points. This is a good result for budget phone. In GeekBench 5, the smartphone has 291 points in a single-core test and 1,405 points in multi-core test. 3D Mark shows 1370 overall score. I have tested memory speed, Wi-Fi speed and GPS. Everything is fine on Cubot X20 Pro. I didn't find any problems. Now I want to play some games. Have you already played Call of Duty? It is the most popular Android game right now. I'm a big fan of it. You can play Call of Duty on Cubot X20 Pro. The graphics is very good. Also, I have played PUBG Mobile and Shadowgun Legends. They also run very well. Cubot X20 Pro doesn't have any problems with these heavy games, so you can play any other games on this phone. Gaming performance is very good. The price of Cubot X20 Pro is only $150, but it has very good performance. I didn't find any issues in the user interface and everyday tasks, as well as games. The benchmark results are very good for budget phone. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.